Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire professional.
On with the show.
Welcome back. Facebook is at it again. They're trying to do their damnedest to censor everybody. So, here's how you fix some of it. You go to the account settings and privacy in your Facebook. You go down the news feed. It says customize your experience. Then you got snooze, unfollow, blah blah blah. Go down to reduce. This is where it's messed up. Low quality content reduces Facebook clickbait. Unoriginal content, problematic sharing. Sensitive content. See, now they're really getting screwballed. And then content reduced by fact checking. You can't trust fact checkers because that's Facebook's garbage way to create more problems. By default, it's reduced. You can reduce it more if you're brainwashed with Facebook. I'm not, so we'll go back over here. Sensitive content. Seriously? Facebook is that much of a pansy ass now with your participation trophy crybabies? And there's no way to fix it other than this way. You can reduce it more, but you can't change it from that. So, all the shit posters? Hate to tell you. Then you go up here to the next thing. Unoriginal content. Well, hell, 99% of it's unoriginal. Somebody's regurgitated it from something else. So, there's that. Then you fix that. Then you go back over here. And then low quality content. Facebook in general, to me, is low quality in the first place. With Mark Bitcherberger and his little pansy ass. So, we'll go there, fix that, and that's how you fix it. And then you go through, and then you can look at other things. But if you're that much of a pansy ass and brainwashed, have at it.